Why encrypt files on your Mac?
Keeping your personal files safe is more important than ever. Encryption makes your data unreadable to unauthorized users, protecting your privacy in case your Mac is lost or stolen. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to use FileVault and Disk Utility, two built-in macOS tools to secure your files with strong encryption.
Introducing FileVault, full disk encryption.
FileVault is Apple's built-in solution for encrypting the entire contents of your Mac startup disk. When FileVault is enabled, all files, system data, and user accounts on your disk are protected using XTS AES 128 encryption. This means your data stays secure, even if someone physically accesses your Mac.
How to turn on FileVault.
To enable FileVault, go to System Settings, click Privacy and Security, then select FileVault. Click Turn On and follow the prompts. You'll be asked to set a recovery method, such as your iCloud account or a recovery key. Keep this information safe, as you'll need it to unlock your disk if you forget your password.
Encrypting files with Disk Utility.
Disk Utility lets you create encrypted disk images. Open Disk Utility, click File, then New Image. Choose Blank Image, enter a file name, and select 128-bit AES encryption. Set a password. This will be needed to open the disk image. Store your files inside this disk image, and they'll stay protected until you unlock it.
Choosing the right encryption method.
FileVault is best for securing everything on your Mac, offering seamless protection with minimal setup. Use Disk Utility's encrypted disk images when you need to secure only certain files or folders, or when sharing encrypted files. Both methods keep your data safe from unauthorized access.
Best practices for maximum security.
Always use strong, unique passwords for encryption. Write down your FileVault recovery key and store it in a safe place. Regularly back up encrypted data in case of hardware failure or password loss. With these practices and the tools built into macOS, you can greatly improve your file security.